spoonful of sea moss the key to better health? Well, Monique Jones is the CEO of Must Be Nice, and she joins me now to answer that question and so much more. Hi, Momo. Can I call you Momo?
Of course. Everybody calls me Momo.
Momo. All right, Monique, quickly, what exactly is sea moss?
Sea moss is a superfood and a sea vegetable, and essentially, so this is what it looks like coming out of the ocean.
It's a sea vegetable, you hear that?
Right, yes.
Sea vegetable.
Like, this is just the weed I see, the seaweed?
No, it's different. They have different types of seaweed. But sea moss itself, though, is very nutrient dense. It's packed with 92 essential minerals, and our bodies are made up of 102, so it is rich in vitamins A, B, C, E, and K. Very, very powerful.
So I can't just go to the beach on a regular day and it's like, let me just go get some. No,
you have to dive. You have to dive for this one.
Okay.
Yes.
It's not seaweed.
No, it's not seaweed.
Because
It's
I'm
different.
like, I always run my uncleaner. It's not them.
No, it's not that.
But your interest, though, is coming out of a personal experience for you, having some health issues of your own. So you want to talk to us a little bit about that?
Absolutely. So I used to be a tired body girl, like all the time.
Out of season, nothing.
I'm telling you,
right?
so tired, painful menstrual cramps all the time, very bad breakouts. Oh my God, it just had me in a chokehold. And I couldn't find anything to help me until I learned about sea moss. I used to work in a tea shop, and I learned about different herbs, and I came across sea moss. I started to take it, and it changed my life. And I said,
you got me at cramps. You got me at cramps because I cannot, and then the breakouts that come with I cannot.
I cannot.
I cannot. I'm dreading thinking about it.
It's really good for anemia as well, because sometimes
so great for anemia. That's what I had. I struggled with anemia.
So what are some of the other health benefits as well?
So it helps to boost your immune system, your energy levels, your gut health, your brain function. It's great for your overall skin, hair, nails. Trust me, so
giving probiotic.
It's giving. We need it. It's so good for your gut health. So it's like a probiotic too. So it's amazing.
So for people who have like digestive issues, like your constipation.
Right. Amazing stuff.
All right.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I was going to say, I am familiar with just having sea moss, right? And it's usually like this white color. But I'm seeing a variety. I see a little orange, I see a little pink. Do you infuse it with something else? And
I
what do
you do? Yeah. So we have hibiscus infused.
With that one there. This one a hibiscus?
The red one. So hibiscus.
This is a hibiscus.
Right. Hibiscus is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. We recommend that one for people who get sick often and people who have really bad sinus problems. It helps to rid your body of excess mucus. Right? Then we have cinnamon and honey. Customers say that one is like a pudding. It tastes really nice. And it's great for any inflammation. It's great for your gut health.
Is that cinnamon and honey?
Cinnamon and honey with sea moss.
Okay.
Girl,
all right, not turmeric?
No turmeric. It's nice. Okay. So these are great. You can add them to, this is the plain gold one. It's very versatile. It's like a flavorless jello. You can add it to anything whatsoever and it won't change the flavor profile. So you can add these to your teas, your smoothies, your shakes, your stews, your salad dressing. It's extremely versatile, guys.
In this particular form in the jar, you could just take it out and add it to whatever.
Add it to anything. And the recommended dosage is 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. That's all it takes to give your body those minerals and vitamins to help your body to thrive daily.
Right, okay.
But this is like a liquid format now. The sea moss is infused in liquid.
So that's a bitter detox, right? Oh my God. That, guys, is the baddest thing. Okay.
Bitters are usually good for the blood, right?
Yes.
Bitters good for your blood.
Right, so this is helping to cleanse. It's helping to cleanse your kidneys, your liver, your blood. It's getting rid of parasites, toxins. So if you do a detox from primary school, all those worms having a field day. Right? So that really flushes out all that. Amazing.
So I see you have it packaged here. Like this is just the sea moss as is, dried sea moss.
Right, this is just dried sea moss.
Like this too?
No.
Okay.
So you have to rehydrate the sea moss. A lot of Jamaicans boil sea moss, but we don't recommend that you boil it because it takes away some of the nutrients. So you soak it in spring water for a couple of hours and it will expand in size and then you blend it.
Okay. I was a boiler. I didn't know that. I would usually boil it.
Yeah, boiling takes away some of the nutrients.
Okay, lovely. All right.
So talk to me about some of the other things that you can use sea moss to do, because I realize that it has a lot of benefits digested, but non-digested, there are also benefits as well.
Right, you can apply topically.
Yes, you can apply sea moss to your skin. If you have eczema, liver spots, any skin issues, sea moss will definitely help with that. So it has vitamin A, vitamin E. It has collagen too to tighten your skin. You know, so that's like a natural Botox. Just apply a face mask with a plain gold sea moss, and that's it like that. That's just it.
This is like a super food.
It is.
It is a superfood.
It really is.
So why have I not heard about this? Or I've seen people do it, but
Really?
you know what? There's just this stigma. So you know, as vegetarians or persons who eat a little more cleaner and stuff like that, you'd think because it's clean eating, so they'd apply these items to their diets. But this is for
anybody. Anybody can take sea moss.
I will
Kids,
also say,
anybody.
I put sea moss in my coffee. Because when I
Love
don't
that.
have any infused one, it doesn't, to me, it doesn't really have a taste.
Exactly.
So I put it in my coffee and it dissolves as you stir, it dissolves, and it doesn't have, so apply it to your cereal in the morning.
Anything whatsoever, you can just put it in.
Superfood.
But you probably just like that. You probably hear about sea moss in Jamaica as Irish moss, but it's different. It's not the same thing. It's different.
Wow.
So yeah, people always use it for strong back only, but there's so much to use it for, you know?
And then I'm a texture girly too, so if it's like slimy and stuff like that, I don't think I can. It's not.
It's
Because I'm not an
not.
okra person, because it's too slimy.
It's like a jello.
But it's not that.
It's like
How
a jello.
can persons find you? Because I want to get it. Where can we get it in stores? Where is it?
So we have it available at shop number 5, Devon House. That's the Lemongrass Tea Room. We also have it in Montego Bay, shop number 4, Fairview Shopping Center. That's Daily Cafe. And you can check out our Instagram. It's Must Be Nice JA. So you'll see all the different stores you can find it at as well. And you can order from our website, mustbenice.com.
Love that. Can we request, like, for example, I love a turmeric. Could I
you
say
want to have your own
I want turmeric and
flavors?
bladderwhack, for example. Can I say, girl, I'm with it, I'm in. What do you mean? See, moss is my jam.
Because she had the sea moss. I'm gonna try it. I think I'm gonna have to try it.
Must Be Nice. I like the name as well. Oh, wow. Monique Jones, the CEO of Must Be Nice. Thank you so much for joining us. And
Thank you. Thank you
this is
so
the
much for
bitters
having
and
me.
this is
The benefits.
You know what? I'm going to give something to Adrian, and we'll soon come later.
You're taking this. You're just
we'll soon come back. All right. We'll soon come. So I'll take this. You can have this. You have this one.